Thank you to Norco for sponsoring today's lunch.
See, I got some mac and cheese that I'm gonna mix with the pork, and then you just kind of lather it even more. So you gotta eat really fast so you get through before everyone else does.
Last time and this time it was absolutely delicious. This time we had pulled pork, so.
Hey, what's up?
The game is going to work. Basically, we're going to set people up, groups of, I believe, 6, and we're going to give them a wiring diagram, and basically we're calling it a taste of truck builder. So it's going to be pretty fun. Here's a sneak peek. Ready?
Tips of monetary value are highly encouraged and graciously accepted at the assembly cart for assistance with the circuit building and understanding the schematic.
We just got the electric in Ireland recently. This is all new to us.
When I came to in the ditch today and I heard that there's entertainment at lunchtime, I thought, let's get some Kenny Rogers, let's get some Dolly Parton in here.
I got DQ'd, disqualified.
How are we doing? Are we gonna win?
We're gonna give it a shot.
The food was delicious, yeah, and thank you to your suppliers and thank you to yourselves for putting it on. We've had a really great welcome. Thank you.
So how we decide who does the food and who does the entertainment is we all kind of circle up and do this big Rochambeau, and whoever's left with it is their whole department gets to put on the next game or food